Instagram Traffic Tyrant Exclusive Report. Generate traffic using Instagram. Instagram is the golden child of social media. It's not spoken about as often in a digital marketing sense as the bigger, more established platforms. But this is just part of the reason why you should be marketing on Instagram. It should come as no surprise to you when I say that Facebook and Twitter are both saturated with advertising, and users have learned to turn out the constant noise businesses are making on those platforms. On the other hand, Instagram is a relatively new social platform. Only 36% of marketers have actually committed to the platform, resulting in an overall higher brand interaction. Generally, people have significant doubt that Instagram and other photo-sharing social media platforms can be used in a business setting, whether to increase brand awareness or increase conversion. However, you should consider these facts. Instagram has a per-follower engagement rate 4.21%. That's 58 times higher than Facebook. Furthermore, users share close to 40 million photos every day. Every second, these photos garner an overall average of 8,500 likes and 1,000 comments. That in itself is proof of massive audience engagement. Perhaps even more impressive is that if someone follows you on Instagram, 100% of your content will make it onto their feed. Social media marketing is often considered the alternative to SEO, reason being that in SEO situations, it can be difficult to escape the shadows cast by market leaders. By this, I mean your links are buried by the flood of content that these leaders are consistently pumping out. Meanwhile, Instagram is the opposite end of the spectrum. Once you get that follower, they will see all of your content. It doesn't matter if they happen to also be following Nike, Coca-Cola, and NASA as well. The Instagram demographic. Instagram is the ideal platform if you're targeting users in the 18 to 34-year-old zone. Don't let this fool you at all. User interactions with brands post as a percentage of brands' fans or followers. Instagram, 4.21%. Facebook, 0.7%. Twitter, 0.3%. Source, Q1 2014, U.S. Top 50 Brands Social Web Track, Forrester Research Incorporated. Expanding on that, 68% of its users are female, and more users are reported to live in cities rather than rural areas. Have you ever wondered why Instagram is so popular in the fashion industry? Well, if you're selling younger women's clothing, you should already be on the platform. There are millions of users, and it's more than possible to market to other demographics on the platform. Always keep in mind who's using the platform when marketing on Instagram, and you can properly target your audience.